Hello, and welcome to my Alloy Mount Dora project. So this is fairly responsive. I went ahead, as you can see, it fits a lot with my style tiles. You'll go down here, and you'll see that it is responsive. Kind of the whole way up. Keep going, back. I got the BX slider here. And then if you go to the services, I have Media Boxes, which is a jQuery plugin that actually uses a lot of jQuery plugins. So it's kind of complicated and it involves a lot of code, but I actually really love it. I did the same thing with the products. Here you can see, what that looks like. It is also responsive, so it will respond like that. Gets pretty small. And then finally my contact page with my business information. And there you go. So there you have it. Pretty simple, some good stuff. I really like the Media Boxes, and I've used that a few times. You do have to pay for that plugin, but I love it. And thank you for watching my recording.